Hi, I'm Olga. I run Applet Studio. It's a premium Squarespace template shop. We sell Squarespace templates. Also, we offer custom web design services. So, in this short video, I want to walk you through our current offerings and explain next steps and the process. We've been on the market for over 6 years now, and over 2,000 business owners created websites using our premium Squarespace templates. We have quite a selection here with a lot of different niches. And generally, our templates are really versatile and suitable for any niche that Squarespace is appropriate for. So if you are a new business owner just starting out, check out the templates. They come with a tutorial and email support from our team. So any questions you have, we can have it answered for you. We also offer template customization services, which I'm going to talk about a little later. We offer custom design for Squarespace, custom design, brand strategy, copywriting, and web development. And we designed over 100 custom websites over the years. So let me walk you through our custom design offering first, and then we can talk about template setup services. So for custom design, we typically send you a pretty large homework assignment that you need to go through. This includes branding and copywriting exercises. It depends on whether you have branding or not. Custom projects are bookable, so we book your time in our timeline, and it works sort of like a clinic appointment booking. So if you miss your appointment and your assets are not ready, we're gonna put you at the end of our design queue. So after you submit everything to us, and usually the homework assignment takes business owners a couple of weeks to do, we are going to get back to you with some questions, and we're going to hop on digital strategy call where we will map your website, discuss your strategy. After that, we get back to work and we present you with mood boards for your design. So this is an example custom project that I'm showing you. We presented 2 mood boards, and our client, Michelle, selected the second one. Then we get to work and we create multiple concepts for that design based on that mood board. As you can see, we went back and forth between more green and warm styles, and finally we landed on a design. We also created a wordmark logo for therapists within. After a client approves the concept, we move to homepage design, and we design all pages in Figma before we transfer them to Squarespace. So at this stage, we lock in content, we lock in images and design decisions. And after we move it to Squarespace, we can make some little tweaks, but the overall strategy is done. After we develop everything in Squarespace, we help you launch your website, we help you park your domain, optimize the website for SEO, fill out meta descriptions, optimize images, install Google Search Console, Google Analytics, make sure everything is working, and park the domain name and launch the site. Not everybody needs custom design. The process can take over a month. And if you're just starting your business, you need to build momentum. You need to launch something quickly. So we came up with clever template-based design packages, and I'm going to walk you through them. If you like one of our templates and it fits your needs, and you are not afraid of populating the website with your content yourself, starter package is suitable for you. So you purchase a template and purchase this package, and we will add your logo or create a typography logo. If you don't have a branding, it's not a problem. We will create Squarespace mood board, add your colors, fonts, upload and optimize your images. The website will be ready for you to populate with your text, and you can launch it yourself. Pro and Elite packages are more advanced. So the Pro package is for new businesses or businesses from upgrading from a website. It includes template of your choice and content migration for up to 5 pages. So we will not only we will optimize the template for your branding, we will also help you migrate up to 5 pages of content, populate the template with your content, and make sure your content works in this layout. An elite package is for businesses who are moving either a bigger website or they want more design customization. So inside of the elite package, we will design a custom homepage for you. We'll still use template as a foundation, but we will design custom hero screens for you for internal pages and manual content migration of up to 10 to 5 longer pages. So all of these packages are explained on our website. Feel free to look at them, look at our portfolio, look at the templates. Next steps, we can discuss designs with you over email and then send you a proposal and booking fee and reserve your dates in our calendar. Or we can hop on a call and discuss everything and then send you a proposal and reserve the dates. Template-based packages are available almost immediately. Custom design packages, the wait list is around 1 or 2 months. I hope this was helpful. If you're interested, please reach out.